Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today, my new case for the LG G8 came. So yeah, I guess let's open it. And I also did get a screen protector for the LG. It's just a cheap glass screen protector. I paid like 10 bucks for it. So nothing too special. And this is actually an Incipio case, so let's go ahead and unbox it. I paid $35 for this one. So kind of expensive, but not that bad, considering that I ordered from Amazon. How do I even open this? Just go ahead and rip it. Okay, I got it. Here's the case. Thank you for your order. And here's the case. Incipio Aerolite for the G8. For the LG G8 ThinQ. Seems like the right case. Let's just go ahead and take it out. This is a pretty weird case since it does that. But it does look like a pretty good case. I really like it. I'll just go ahead and put the phone inside the case. And yeah, there it is. The Incipio Aerolite case for the LG G8 ThinQ. Yeah, it's a pretty nice case actually. Wow. It's really comfortable to hold. And that's the case, close up. But yeah, it's a really nice case. And I guess that's gonna be it. So, peace out guys.